4, 3, 2, 1.
Por twala Julie Tommy Bay television kini an matin lok makaro idie chabeto ko duju peking wan ge kene wati ma be lo mekelo lok ma pudo ti ma be ki lok mo ti mo chu widano ikin ping I wilo bukuru Uganda kumalama Uganda ka jirgi put lo ma pat nya Wilfred Akai ajuri wanen wi lok ma chigu ma chel wanero la même parti FDC achel mai chabet mokar waneno en upuru pol machoko kati ngol lok machulu tieno kwan dokko beri chawane upiero talang ngol kulo we NRM man ngage kome ko we kwa nyak kachel waneno e Uganda ko beti widanti muchung matek malupe ki ngol magi kerkom latina nyanga chel machela nywele me Uganda Vicky Ajok mainoni lobo Syria tiga meto tueno enok pe kono lu unyogok ki dea ki dej magi bor ni beheading nyoti lok ni tongu wich ubetime wabenwa ko lok wanen gamente waji yeni ngo machara Uganda kin kan liorti matek to twan malupe ki Aguu mapol ikin ping I Kampala kumalabe Uganda kabir mukene o duju gidiga yelu dano magi mago mapol makaro Mia Rio itwak ping mapat why nano ka gwok ene ye ramo kela loga me jwek ko peko matiga mago dano manok la chwe bi mo yek mawangeyo kinying mabene Yusuf Sibambi en obela meme parliament te parti FDC donc bene no tikin dana ma chok toal ki president pa parti FDC Dr. Kiza Besije kamenoni report mo wano ichabet mo karo nyurati kameleng ni inge porto kui mamer ni tap eno tuki kwanyu jim mo kena eno ti umekony chalo pol maj ma eno bay kinchar ki kupu maj upurugio ko duju ka chiki ngolo scholarship paluteno kwan makaro Pierre Bichelwe beach mayano timo gi nyomatika miyo kony bon luteno malupe ki chwe mawono tikwere kado inge chuchot oberu luoro mot kidiro utugi moko tame oni umire ngol kulu me ki party FDC me chero NRM.
I'm here, I'm a newcomer, but I have the zeal and strength to work for the NRM.
Waneno wilok mapigi tego kagwak wab twero miyo la penye ye manok ni twero beru lagam me ki ipati FDC me chero ipati NRM Yusuf Sibambi tikin dana chel ma do me loko me nyurni uberu chok ki party president FDC Dr. Kiza Besije mainoni area no tiga kubukin lwak mati area ki kuping me Uganda kama no ngene matek chelo DPT party president pa party FDC machoki Dr. Kiza Besije la penj mo kena ma watwer mi ne ye kilok mapigi tego ma waneno kom karani tiga wiyere kinping wanene donyo ne eno cherati gankal madit pa party NRM mati naguru ruate ki speaker me parliament me Uganda Aneta Nita Mong ruate ki la choj madit pa party FDC la dita general Richard Todwong kama kijolo en mabere da wanen ka kero signature nyo kero chiem e kara touch onye papara manyuri don kijolo en mabere da medical meron logo tameni iberuka neno pilwegi kara mapole da maino ni berune independent party FDC pe okonye me do ma di tutwal kidong bene berne party FDC wego titam mo kene mo no pero mo karo kel mabere da metit pilwak de noni ke tiu ki gamente ramo kelo wego tameni duju kar kamaleng wege moko tamme ko me donyo ko ipati NRM donc ben medico mero wabir katemo ngiyo ka gore a pa Yusuf Sibambi me bien ati ipati NRM tie kin work frustration onyo akemo kiki niga malupi ki kui maurem ikare mauno gitiga chung i mebela me parliament me Mawokota South kamenoni kuino cherti remoko nyoket no por kuya pora pian kiniga maka ma tek to twal madano beru ka penye ma pole leda ni ngo ma wego beru ki miri me nego match unyo ngolo line me match matie e Mawokota South ma cher kin char ma pat matie kin ping ka chel ki ngolo scholarship per tien kwan en wajini I winyo ma lit to twal piene kalwak mono eni kerru geni kumgi no pege twero letting end down kit mero nyo turning him down peme mi ire kui I ruam mono eni mero nyo kit machali penyo kwere medico merom Yusuf Sibambi tie kaneno mwali bario ki Pierre Dek wiario tika biuni ning donyene ipati NRM twero berikin yu achiel matika yupo katiene mabede da bien kawa neno eno lok mawajini iber kanywa ko lok ki president Yoweri Museveni ka gote ka choka momoti me ikar mo karangej make gor doge mot o tien marama beach ma pat mainoni winye nan chali kingi ka chelki party NRM o chaka chon tutwal monu miritie meneno ni eni donyo ke party NRM o miula bolle kom lu dir mo kene madan magin gi chung ka chel kwetgi makobe digitie I party NRM machalo Ujara Martin Mapenduzi Matie la meme parliament machung pi peje machung pi badege le ibi division igulu city kuma la Uganda umila bolle kom akol Anthony Matie kindano ma guloke I party NRM ikinme ma maukar ma wa ko berichani kitman nen kwere ni tamgi kilok magen gen ma ko bedongi twer ker na chalu gen ma pira tek pien lokeni kai ti wo nyoy iti wo karo keni tami pegi bi winyima bed twal mane tikin lock donc la pentieni wa biero ni apa Yusuf Sibambi ki party FDC mechere NRM o bino machala duki pakwa kemo pia ni queen rem mebe la meme parliament me Mawokota South mi la penyi kila gami I comment section metame be television wanen lock mo kenne
midnight. Coming to midnight, he went back. And by the time when Mama told me that you have already poisoned, I think that we are going to die together because you have already poisoned me. And I told her that you take me back to the office. You don't want to take me back. What is going on? My heart is telling me to go back. So by the time he told me, I said, okay, you poisoned me. I'm crying that I'm suffered malaria, kumbe not malaria. You have already poisoned me. Today we are going to finish. So at around 3 at night, I went and picked this thing to the kitchen. And I did this thing. After that, I went and swallowed medicine. I picked marame, I pour fuel. I want to kill myself here. I waited for die. Murphy died. I went behind there. I jumped. I want to kill myself, Murphy. And there's a road. There's a door, small door I passed. I just followed this road, going far to look for where I can kill myself. So I went up there where there's war. I want to hide myself there, waiting for my to death. So there's a lady who stopped me that you look stranded. Can I help you? I said, you help me. I'm sick. I'm looking for government hospital. He said, let me call you the boy. The boy knows English. The boy came and started asking me that what is wrong. I said, my madam chased me away. She gave me this thing. I tried to lying him. So she told me that I'm going to take you to the hospital, but I'll call police. Immediately, she refused to take me to the hospital. He called police. Then police come and catch me from the other side.
في حدا دفعك أو حرضك على ارتكاب هذه الجريمة؟
No. I'm telling the truth. I don't want to lie.
Okay.
If I die when I'm telling you the truth that I'm the one who killed her because she told me that I'm already poisoned. And we have started a misunderstanding on November because I asked her that I need my money to send in Uganda. She has refused. She told me that you wait for 4 months, then after 4 months I'll give you the money if you're working well. So misunderstanding start like that. she start mistreating me, not giving me food. And I have also stick, it is there in her mom. She used to beat me. And I told the daughter of Mama Yuda that your mother cannot give me the food. She used to pack me food 3 days, 2 days.
رح تمثلي الآن الجريمة رح تنفذيها بهالمكان هذا. أخذت من المنزل نقود مجوهرات.
No, the whole story.
Pego timu por matek tutwal ikum latina nyaga mo achiel matia nywele Uganda. Maono tiga teach ilo mawako ilo Syria. Mangene kinying ni Ajok Vicky. Ajok Vicky uberu latina nyaga maono cherka teach ilo Syria. Kama no tiu bot ngarachiel mo yuek mada mangene kinying ni Huda Sarahawi. Huda Sarahawi tikin dara chiel ma ene uno Vicky Ajok tiu bore. Machel ngat ma miu kony me ot. Unyo ki bora boni housemate. Housemate bono joma gi kelu gi pajo gi miu kony mo ma nok mene ni cham ki teru luoko bon pilu teno ki jem mo kene ma teno ten ma mite pajo. Doi noni ikar ma en udonyo chako tij bot Huda Sarahawi winyo berutie ni chul ubutime dwe ki dwe kautum. Enti maka pier dek wia dek. Kama en Ajok Vicky yar kama leng ni may bini chako teach. May donyo ilobo Syria. Malupe ki company motor en wajo kama leng ni teach uchake. Ento winyo doko berutie ni kwa mirke rot ko teach pi dwe ngwen. Rot ko teach pa Vicky Ajok utime pi dwe ngwen ki paje pa Huda Sarahawi malupe ki kiet manogen gu winyo kwere chingeye dwe ngwen romo. Penyu chente uchake chichulu berupeke kun Vicky Ajok wajo kama leng ni on mogo beruka time bene kuno kama ki beruka one ki beruka lanye kinom kene ki goye chambe ne peke mie kitim mogo me on ma pat mo beruka time kum en kit ma en miyo kere ki chaden donin lok eni duju ikar ma duwe do cherti tumangwen penyu chente uchake chinge respond pa Huda Sarahawi peo beru leng to twal mau kelu tele kun en miu chaden wajini la lonye ma mer ma chala Huda Sarahawi wajini endong ki poisoning eno onyo ki ker kui dong ti kom en mano pedebiri pe kare ma laj ci kwone certi tummo weko kiniga mako en ma tek to twal e kar ma kiniga mare ci yada i twindi wo i tiu ki jim mo kare ma tiu kere otter nyo kitchen ma pol kar wangeni kitchen jim tima pol ci yada i tiu ki kare me kato chie i kom Huda Sarahawi niyo waito man eni chaden ma eno miyo dong watiki nyik lok ma pigi tego ma wapenye kwere ma achel eneni tian lok magi duju ma eno yaro gini pore mono ni en twero no put marwate ki kit ma bal ma eno timani pore kere piene kawa neno ko bedi lok me chul pi dwe ngwen bentiga kenyo ki don ki mogati kama leng ni en ki bitweyego pi kwone lo nyogwakaro kene ki bi mie put meta ma kit put meta ne ki bi ngollo wiyo mero kit ma gamente melubu Syria gen wajo kwere dong machale Uganda watiki la pay ni gamente melubu Uganda gama yeni ngo bien wa neno ling mot uberutie ni woki winyo lok makwaro pero mo porikum Vicky Ajok human rights dul maneno lokum twer padano Uganda gen gama ni ngo kadi beti kit mano winyo ben lok muken ma chigu ma waja tika maleng ni duan miro aki gamente me Uganda weko chere ilobo Syria maneno ni twer padano mirki wo doki win lok meno ki kill Vicky Ajok uduk chene Uganda makwo kaki win piru makwago lokom pero nyo bal ma eno timum ben eno keken ko kawatika neno ni eno nego la ditte la pentini lokom chul kono kia won mogo ma Vicky berga karo ki ye pi dwe ma roma ngwen onyo makaro before meno ni kono wagama yeni ngo kakama ko bedi min wala pen ma tour dada ni kit ma chalo dano ko kwere wa mi la penya dek ma chel gamente me lobi Uganda gitero joma giti woko magiti ga yele lobolaya nining watiki check mono ma governing joma giti ga tij woko ma konyo weko ngat mo katiga tij woko ramo ber ma be de la boy kit permo lawyers pa joma cher wo ne monotie ka lawyers pa joma cher wo ne bon bertie ci min wala gam ni Vicky Ajok mir la chung douane bertie pien company moteur gen wo ñu company moteur Vicky Ajok wo ne umiro 4 kilogram mau por ni kar ma giti ka chono dar ma chwalu katij wo la bolle en Vicky Ajok ka ci jomo kan ni duju no merki non joma chung pigi ma chalu pirida ma tega dada ni in case ka gino mo time ci gitwero chung pigi la bolle chalman mo time kom Vicky Ajok joma nen lo kum chik gen waji yeni ngo now kawa neno Uganda kubeti malupe ki pero men nok patich watika nyweli me Uganda mapol makaro alib mia chilgi piara beach magiti wako ka tiutin ma pat machalo housemate tij mo ken ma pat magiti lobolaya dong maramo penye ikum dano alib mia chilgi piara beach matia nyweli me Uganda magiti ka kwoi lobolaya iket me ye mutichi duju luchundwa gitie lopirida gitie joma neno lokum twer padano gen game yeni ngo gamente melo Uganda kono game yeni ngo wekwa wintami i comment section ping makwako lokum twer padano makwako lokum teach makwako lokum chan makwako lokum yele pa buru makwako lokum kit ko ma pat mano mete ni kai tiji lobolaya angage mo miro chui kumi kawa kele ya giki ni matin midweek analysis itami be television wayara tika maleng pero mo por Uganda ni chake kare me kui ikare me bieto kui magali bario ki Pierre we beach bino kere magali bario ki Pierre beach el idwe machel dwe mario mawa no ati kama leng lutino mapul kare giti street magi borg ni street lutina gu kelu wigi tuak ping mapat pare lo Uganda kavor ko padano di chengidi wo yako dano.
Right now, I'm in Nagwero Lugoba. It's just 8 p.m. Thieves they have stolen all my phones, all my documents. Please, I don't have any phone right now. They have taken all my documents. I'm tracking, I'm a SIM, be it iPhone or Android, because Zona Bazitutse. Certified Primo Block, I don't have anything I own right now. No one should call you. Anyone who sees this video, or the reposting and share it to anyone, because I was just coming from somewhere, heading back home because I do my nails from this side. But I happened to be pushed down and back the mass Bamutazina Jambia. So right now I'm at the clinic. Everything is just messed up with me. Anyone here, video number, repost it, Sheila, proceed, everyone, help me create awareness on the platform. I really don't know, but all my wanting of this video to go viral. Right now, as you all can see, my lips, bank record, I could just surrender everything. It says, sina line name, Janina, sina document name, Janina. All my cash has been stolen. Happy Valentine's to you.
Guys, be careful on the roads of Kampala. Thieves are very many. I do not want you to experience what I've experienced today. Over during the day, over at night, and for at night it is worse.
I drive home at around 10 p.m., reached the Nalia bypass traffic lights. As I stopped, because the lights were telling me to stop, they were red, I stopped. There was a man with a cavera, and in the cavera, I think there was a paver or a stone, and hits the windscreen, the behind windscreen of my car. I think his aim was to take the laptop, and then I took off. So when I stopped around the petrol station, I asked the people around, and the people say, yeah, you never stop around that place because it's really risky and suicidal for you to stop at that time. And when you realize it's not only that side, it crosses over the other side when you are swerving off to Chambogo. The police officers that day that had not stood at the traffic point, that stood down at the petrol station.
Mano Jimmy ki jeba padano, mano bug pa mon ki kabir ma pat. Ami iri area ma pol, kakama ko beri dong peko tiye ma tega dada. Waneni kabir mukenem, ko beri chani nyuruni I Entebbe, Kampala. Ki kumalame Uganda gulu, donke maro, lutina gu makaro, miya rio kiwiye. Manko bergediga gwogi orokol, meti mo kweri kumgi, malupe ki bal magyen goti umapat ko duju. Don kawa neni Kampala, nyurni potoro chake ikirini nda pawi bichel ni okeni nda pawi boro medwe mario magaman alibario kipiario bichel wano report nyuro kamaleng ni biligu bolo potoro ikabir machali entebe meni ikatabi crackdown ki kabir mukene chalo Kampala sabab ikabir mukene chalo Kabowa meni Rubaga wanen kabir machalo Mulimira zone Ikira road kabir mukele sangi ki kabir mukene mapat goro welu tena gu makaro miari kiwie madon ki makogi dokitiga gwogi orkol malube ki bal magen gotimun mukene tie mageno gitigi tools me gono dano panga la tong la duk fungwa mapat mayabu kit uri mo ke ken tuak ping la ping dong watiga mercher kanene kit man ni court madit me Kampala man city all court moko kamaleng ni Johnny duju ku berkitiga ngino gi nyo ken ki bolo gi keke kitiga kiro gi mot menene kin miari ki wini angama gine dong lu bali iko miari ni kama gino pe la bal kibi gonyone kama gino tiki bal kibi tueno ne kibi dugu gi weng inyim kot inendwario medwe madek imagaman alibario kipiario bichel kama ko beti wayara tika maleng ni kabere mukene magiti ko malame Uganda wachaki gulu kili wa dodo ma met total ma wunyene let bene met eto wunyene let piane ko bere kitika temo yueno dikal kitemo yueno kabere mukene kama no ke biagone en ko lutina man ma chela goni giti ye ma chel cemetery road gulu bodwa kany opotoro ti me kama cha bet mo karwa neno lok mu ak bodo diro kilo tela mo kene may gulu city gen yara tika maleng ni gitika miu potoro dicheng gidi wo ma gen pegi neno piane merki chok lo tino mana goge ni ki kelgi ka maleng wekenen ki yo me konyogi wek gulu city udong maleng dong kabere ka neno bene aduki me ko lok me tim pagu matika nya i Uganda ni mono tika biro ma chela duki pa ko lok me ye ma pur tuma eni ni chake magali bario ki piari beach ni o kere magali bario ki apawi bichel ma weko ko beri wano biru ki la penni jemi moko bo berkatime karme kwi wanero ma chiel loro internet oberuti kin ko ma pool madano ko yeni could be a reason ma weka kemo diga mago bulu ma tega dada Mario could be lok me weko dano bit free kid me bolo kwi pe berka won ma be pieni karme rally dano ma pool ki onogi jomo kene ki goyogi jomo kene go ruenyo jimigi ko beruti area ba pat me ko Twer berni piani jima kitmano berkatime wa ko berchan the results Aguu gitiga nyotu aduki pa ko jimo time magamo karne duju endo ngatiga nane idwe makitman nye mwaga alibario kipiario bichel wami la peng min wala gamme i comment section ping itame be television wakeli midweek analysis kadong wami la peng ko padano kibebero padano ki yorokom ki longa ki tit ki biachara chung ka kwene kao bini lokom doro kit ma bulu ti kwere ikom bulu miario mage maogeni duju watamne eona ye yu ma be me gikku nyume jwekku lok me bal ki bulu miario mage maogeni watamne obikonye wa nining wekero pa jomatimu bali kin ping dok ping romo mi vura ikom joma gudong manok kin pingi tien wangeni gwakaro kene wadigi darmo kene mage maoge mabalgi peke wadigi darmo kene mage maoge mabepegi ngi wango matiga time piani kita potor ke timu kere wan pa wangi kita bili timu kere potor gi and ibi noni jomo kene mariek mage de engine me bal no gudongo wako and ke mago de body nyo joma gi chunki lo balli and o ke tergi iye donka gi noni darma ke maoge ikomala me Uganda Gulu City ki Kampala ba weleti we miario ki wieri ki noni gen pego timo bal dongo miyo la peni angagi malo timbali nyu angagi ma chogo chinjo matimo bal pien wange ma bere dani kari betini bulu ma pol gitimo bali kin ping ento tijo moment twer beri no guchuinge lok matimo bal pien wabir ki kar me penyo jomo ken ma pol kin ping magin waju kamaleng ni one party mo bali mirwa erba digi darma gine gi chogo chunywa nyogi wachi wa gino mirwa team ma pegi yaro kai pinyi anga gi gen pe yaro ma be wan pe wa ngiu gi mir ko ma kwet ma be anga gi ma chung inge lutina ma gitimo balikin ping kawa mi la peny meno wa kora dukni wa neno kit ma go karo kene cha bet ma mewa tum kwere tami be television kelly midweek analysis kiner matin bye. Midweek analysis a point trial jury we kwan yak lok makaro idie chabet ke chabet icheng chabet to wan chunga ke mana ate lo cheng chabet